Tire maintenance, keeping your journey smooth and safe. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into the essential world of tire maintenance. Whether you're a new driver or an experienced one, understanding the importance of maintaining your tires can make a huge difference in your driving experience. So, let's explore how regular tire maintenance ensures safety, efficiency, and longevity of your vehicle's tires. Tire maintenance involves regular checks and actions to ensure your tires are in optimal condition. This includes checking tire pressure. Keeping your tires properly inflated ensures better fuel efficiency and tire life. It's recommended to check the tire pressure at least once a month. Inspecting tires for wear and damage. Regularly inspect your tires for any signs of wear or damage, such as cuts, cracks, or bulges. This can prevent accidents and improve the performance of your vehicle. Rotating tires. Regular tire rotation helps to evenly distribute wear and extends the life of your tires. It's generally recommended to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Regular tire maintenance is not just about extending the life of your tires, but it also contributes to safety. Well-maintained tires provide better traction and handling, which is crucial for safe driving. Fuel efficiency. Properly inflated and aligned tires reduce rolling resistance, which in turn improves fuel efficiency. Cost savings. Investing a little in tire maintenance can save you a lot in the long run by avoiding early tire replacements and improving fuel economy. Maintaining your tires doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical tips. Use a reliable tire pressure gauge. Ensure you have a good quality tire pressure gauge to get accurate readings. Follow manufacturer's guidelines. Always adhere to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations for tire pressure, rotation, and alignment. Monitor tread depth. Keep an eye on your tire tread depth. Tires should be replaced when the tread depth reaches 2/32 of an inch. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of tire maintenance and how it contributes to a safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable driving experience. Remember, taking care of your tires means taking care of your journey. Drive safe, and see you on the road.